Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jamie and this is Texas Girl DIYs. Today's video is in part of the Trash to Create Treasure challenge hosted by Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine, and her co-host is Heidi Sonboul from Heidi Sonboul DIY. I will have both their channels linked down in the description box below, as well as the playlist of all the other creators that are participating in this challenge. With all that being said, let's go ahead and get started. For this project, I am just using a piece of scrap wood from my garage and a can of classic gray Krylon spray paint. Now that I have 2 coats of my gray spray paint on my board, which I had also sanded very well, I am going to go in with some Apple Barrel Aqua Sky paint and some Waverley white chalk paint and do a little distressing. Now going in with these bottle caps, which typically I would have thrown in the trash, but my husband was saving them and I thought he was a little nutty for doing it, but I'm so glad that he did because I ended up using it for this project and I think it ended up being perfect. So what I'm doing here is I'm just arranging my bottle caps exactly the way I want them to, and then I just use some hot glue around the edges and glue them down. So now jumping ahead, what I had done to make the arms of this crab is I took 4 bottle caps and I went out with them, and then I took 2 bottle caps and went up, if that makes any sense, and I hot glued those down. And then I took extra bottle caps and stacked it on top of there to give the crab more dimension. And what I'm doing here is I'm just taking the bottle caps, and my fingers are not very strong, so I had to use a screwdriver to kind of not clip, but like, fold these bottle caps in half, because what I'm doing here is I'm making the legs, and I ended up having to have my husband come in because his fingers are a heck of a lot stronger than mine are, and my thumbs were getting so sore, and he could just, close those bottle caps up like with ease. I mean, I don't know. But anyway, so I just basically put the legs exactly where I wanted them with some hot glue. I just glued them down. So now taking this nautical rope that I gotten from Dollar Tree, this is the 7.9 foot nautical rope, and I'm just going to go ahead and lay the rope out around the board just the way I want it to, and then go in with my hot glue and gluing everything down. And I'm also making like this kind of curvy line. Now you could do this any way you want. If you want a more of a straight line with your rope, that is fine. I thought the waviness of the rope just kind of gave it that more of a nautical feel. So this is how it turned out in the end. I am so happy with how this turned out. This really is taking something I typically would have thrown in the garbage and probably wouldn't even thought twice about it, but instead saving those pieces and actually creating art with it. I thought this is just the coolest project, and I will probably be doing some more like this. I have some other plans in mind. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I hope that you consider subscribing, and also don't forget to check out the playlist of the other creators. Also, Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine, her link will be down below, as well as Heidi Sonboul DIY, so don't forget to make sure that you are subscribed to them. And yeah, that is it, everybody. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.